Architecture is important because it speaks many different languages, from the way humans connect with space, how technology innovates design, right through to how science interrogates nature.
I think at the very essence, architecture is something that we've been trying to perfect for years. Considering climate, context, materials helps us to facilitate spaces for people to interact.
When I heard Swinburne was starting an architecture program within the School of Design, I was excited to become one of the first pioneering architecture students. There's a particular culture here. Everyone promotes collaboration.
As part of an internship, we worked on the Fab Pod II, which is a lightweight, acoustically engineered meeting room. I was personally responsible for developing the 3D rendering environment, helping with the CNCing of components.
With equipment such as the Tritech laser cutters, the KUKA robots, CNC machines, the Protolab enables physical prototyping and construction for almost any design project. We also had the ability to design and construct a prototype at Oricon's head office, which allowed regular meetings with our client.
So the students gained knowledge of not just designing but also making a built work. And I'll say that's something that we need more of our graduates to experience. Successful designers need the right mix of creative, conceptual insight with real-world and practical experience in order to have impact on industry.
So Chan, our studio leaders, provided all the support we've needed throughout the course, as well as throwing many different opportunities that could benefit our experience.
It is really different when you draw something and then actually transform that into something physical. Seeing the Fab Pod II come to life, they learn about materiality and the weight of the structure. When a design exists in a digital space, the boundaries are unlimited, but you have to think about the practicality, and a project like this allows students to do that.
It's always been a dream of mine to eventually become a practicing architect. I can only look back at the invaluable skills and experiences I've picked up through this course as I move forward in my career.
Inspiration can be found pretty much anywhere in the world. And I think studying architecture at Swinburne, you have the opportunity to design spaces for others to occupy.